Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Cheatle. I've been bodybuilding for about 6 years now, and I kind of wanted to just start making some instructional videos, trying to help you guys possibly execute these exercises a little better. I'm going to be taking you guys through an upper body workout, basically just working everything except my legs, and we're just going to go step by step here with each movement in the order that I performed them that day. I always like to start my upper body days off with a pull movement. I like to get the back nice and warmed up because it's probably going to take the majority of the work while I go through these exercises because it is a huge stabilizer. So I'm starting off with some pronated lat pull downs. The main thing that I see people do wrong here is a lot of swinging of the torso, so try and stay as strict as you can. Make sure to feel like your hands are just hooks and pull with your elbows. Don't feel like you're squeezing the bar. Barbell bench press, I'm using this as a heavier movement, so I'm using around 4 to 6 reps, and I'm going to use them paused as well. So I had to drop the weight a little bit just so I could get the pause reps in. Biggest thing here is my scapula is retracted, which basically just means that my shoulder blades are together, which puts my chest on the highest point on my torso. Therefore, the chest is getting the work here, and that was my goal. Going from a push to a pull. These are T-bar rows with the V-grip handle. Again, thumbs are on the exact same side that my fingers are, so I pull this with my bicep and get more back activation. I'm trying to keep my torso as neutral and rigid as possible so that I can get a maximum stretch and then contraction on my lats. From a pull to a push, dumbbell seated shoulder press, pause at the bottom. I'm doing sets of 10 here. And on these, I wanted to leave about 1 rep left in the tank. Going to failure all the time is most likely just going to lead to injury, and it's going to screw up the rest of your sets if you do it the entire workout. I'd say when you can do more than 20 body weight dips, that you should start adding resistance and dipping with weight. You're not going to get much stronger if you can just do 40, 50, and then 60 reps on dips. You should add weight and try and get stronger in the lower rep range. Somewhere between 6 to 10, I would say. This is a different version of rope tricep extension. I'm kneeling so that I'm stable, or at least more stable than if I would have been standing. And I'm using 2 ropes because your maximum contraction point on your tricep is behind you slightly. So I get the full stretch all the way forward, forearm touches the bicep, and extend. And we're finishing off with biceps. Same thing here with the thumb. Same side as the fingers. Your thumb gives you pulling power. You want to use as much of your bicep as you possibly can. Do not move your elbow. That is the #1 thing you should think about here. Keeping it where it is throughout the negative and positive of the motion will ensure that you get a full stretch and contraction and have great time under tension on your bicep.